Hey guys, ever found yourself at a crossroads wondering which way to go? Millions of men face a similar dilemma every night. Viagra, Cialis, or the new kid on the block, Eroxon Gel. You've heard the promises, seen the ads, maybe even experienced some side effects. But what's the real deal? Stick around, because what I'm about to share might just surprise you. Save your confidence, your health, and even your wallet. For years, Viagra and Cialis have been the go-to solutions for men seeking a boost in the bedroom. Pills that promise strength, endurance, and confidence. But now, Eroxon Gel has stepped into the ring. Unlike its pill counterparts, it's a quick, direct solution that doesn't require a 30-minute wait or a glass of water. Just apply topically, and some men report being ready in as little as 10 minutes. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Let's dig a little deeper. Let's start with Viagra, the classic. It's been around for a while, and for many it's the go-to. Pop a pill and in 30-60 minutes you're ready to go for about 4 hours. But there's a catch. Headaches, flushing, dizziness, and timing can be a bit awkward. Not always the smooth operator you might hope for. Then, there's Cialis, the so-called weekend pill. This one's got staying power, up to 36 hours to be exact. No need to plan every move, just go with the flow. But it's not all roses. Muscle aches, indigestion, and a higher price tag come with the territory. And now let's talk about Eroxon Gel, the new disruptor. No need to swallow a pill or wait an hour, just apply directly. Clinical studies suggest readiness in 10 minutes with minimal side effects. But remember, it's still new. Long-term data is scarce, and it might not work for everyone. That speed and convenience, it's definitely shaking things up. So what's the verdict? Viagra reliable but comes with side effects. Cialis, long-lasting but not immediate. Eroxon fast and convenient, but the jury's still out on long-term use. The truth is, it depends on you, your body, your health, your lifestyle. What works for one guy might not work for another. One thing's for sure. ED solutions are evolving. Pills have had their day in the sun, but gels like Eroxon could be tomorrow's go-to. So, which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments. If this breakdown helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights on men's health. Catch you next time.